Hey everybody, this is a very big day. As you can see, I have received all my books for my author community, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox them and tell you a little bit about the story. This is a very exciting day for me. It's been about a year in the making since I started writing this book. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's very well packed. All right. This is going to be a lot of books I'm going to be signing. Okay. So here we go. Here it is. So here's my book. This is Work Smart, Use Your Brain and Behavior to Master the Future of Work. So I love this cover. This is looking good. The back looks wonderful. The layout is really good. Awesome. Well, this cover is really meaningful to me in a couple ways. It's a little hard to see perhaps on the video, but I really love to connect the dots between ideas and people. And so my theme is kind of a constellation here. And you can see kind of the dots and lighting up and connecting. And not coincidentally, sometimes when you look at pictures of the brain, the human brain, you also see neurons that are connected in this kind of schematic. So for me, that was kind of the connection. It looks really good. So this book, I wrote this book, I think people who will really like it are people who are trying to figure out better ways to work together. Many people are working virtually and hybrid, really struggling, but I think this applies even if you're back in the office. So I hope you enjoy the book as much as I do. I think it looks really great. I'll add some information. It is available now on Amazon, so I'll put the link in the comments here. So thank you again so much to everyone for their support. And it's a little bit hard to believe it's real after a whole year, but here it is. So I hope you'll check it out and enjoy it. Thanks.